Social media for Philippine senatorial candidate Levy Baligod. What changes in the school curriculum would you push? You talked about values formation. So, how will you change that? You talked about education. I think people want to know how. This is from @Marius Aragon on Twitter.
Sa ngayon, sa ngayon po kasi, pag titingnan nyo yung K-12 curriculum, nag-integrate lang sila ng ilang mga values subjects, no? Hindi naman nila ginawang separate subject ang value formation gaya ng patriotism, good moral character, etc. Alam nyo po sa Japan, halimbawa, grade 1 to grade 5 sa Japan, wala silang tinuturong science, math, o language. Lahat yan ay values formation muna. Paano maging mabuting tao, paano gumalang sa nakakatanda, paano mo mahalin ang iyong bansa, paano ka maging karapat-dapat na mamamayan. Yun po ang tinuturo muna nila. Pero sa atin po ngayon, wala na yan eh. Kaya ibalik po natin yung emphasis sa values formation kahit from kinder to grade 4 lamang sana. Ngayon po, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, parang nagbibigay lang sila ng palaman or icing sa curriculum para masabi lamang na meron ding values formation.
Salamat ho, Attorney Baligod. So, ako ho, ngayon, meron akong follow-up question. So, you get a crowdsourced question, then I can follow up with it on this round. The follow-up question actually connects to, you talked about values formation, how you're going to do it in school. Lorna brought up that, well, how can we change values if what they're mirroring is so radically different from it? How do you take what she just said, which is, can you change values if the reality is so different from what you're trying to say? And then I'm going to extend that to something you know personally, which is this witness protection program. When someone actually tried to do the right thing, is it possible to do the right thing in the Philippines right now?
Opo, kung halimbawa na lang, nag-offer si Mrs. Napoles ng 300 million sa amin. At hindi namin tinanggap. Ang gusto lamang ni Mrs. Napoles ay i-atras namin ang mga kaso. So, even if it was perfectly all right for us to receive the offer because we are not government officials, tinanggihan po namin. Bakit po? Because I can claim that we have that strength of moral character. Yung sinasabi nyo kanina tungkol sa Witness Protection Program, I was invited in the Senate before, in the committee of Senator Coco Pimentel, asking for my opinion on how best we can protect state witnesses. Ang sabi ko po sa Senate committee na po na yon ay kailangang bumalik kaagad ang witness sa normal life niya. Tingnan niyo po ngayon ang nangyayari sa witnesses natin. Habang hindi natatapos ang kaso, nandyan sila na parang nakakulong. What I proposed was a minor amendment in the rules on discovery in our rules of court such that a whistleblower can already provide his testimony with the right to cross-examination by potential parties na pwedeng maging respondents and use the testimony in all courts na hindi na kailangang mag-appear pa yung witness.
Okay, interesting. Thank you.